if I want to graph this, you have to make a table of values. 0 is going to be my middle guy. This is going to be 1. This is going to be 2. This is going to be -1 and -2. Now, I want to plug in these values to get my outputs. Which of these numbers is probably the easiest to plug in? Isn't 0 easiest? So if I take 0, square it, and -9, what do you get? -9. So the 0 gives us -9. Okay, do you want to plug in -1 or 1?
1.
Probably 1's easier. So what's 1 squared minus 9? What does it become 1 minus 9, which is -8?
The next one is -7.
And then this one, let's do 2. 2 squared minus 9 is -5. Now, do you remember this shape we looked at? Do you remember it looking like a U? What you'll notice is you don't have to plug in -1 because it'll be the same answer as that. You don't have to plug in -2 because it'll be the same answer as this.
How?
Because it's a parabola. It looks like it's symmetrical. So, if I were to graph this, at 0, I get -9. So at 0, I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At 0, I'm -9 down. At 1, I'm -8 down. So at 1, I'm going to be -8 down. At 2, I'm going to be -5 down. So at 2, I'm going to be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, wasn't this symmetrical on the other side? It wasn't like a U shape? So at -1, I'm also going to go -8 down. And at -2, I'm going to go -5 down. Do you see how I have a U-shaped kind of? It's symmetrical. Now, class, this is a parabola. This coordinate right here is 0, -9. It's called your vertex. These points right here, where it crosses the x-axis, are called your roots. Those are called your roots. Okay. Also called your x-intercepts. They're called your roots. This is called your vertex. Vertex roots. That is a graph of a parabola.